Math 102, finding irrational zeros with the calculator. So we've seen how to use the calculator to find an integer zero. Now, as a warning, this is not going to be an exact value. Our calculator is just going to approximate, but we can use the calculator to help. So just as before, let's start by typing that function into our y equals, and then let's hit graph to see what it looks like. Now again, I can at least start to get a general idea of where these zeros are. Looks like it's somewhere between positive 2 and positive 3, and the same on the negative. Definitely closer to 2 than 3, so I've got at least some vague idea of where this is. So I'm going to go to second and then calc for this, and I am looking for the 0, so let's select that option. Now because our functions sometimes have more than one 0, we have to enter the bounds. So here I'm going to try and find that right 0. So let's pick the left bound as 0, so let's hit enter. And then I'm going to have to move my cursor until I'm beyond that 0. And it's telling me I'm at 2.7. I look well beyond it, so let's hit enter. Now it is also going to ask me to guess, but you don't actually have to guess very accurately. I can just hit enter again, and my calculator should go ahead and still find that 0 correctly. And looks like I'm at about 2.24. Now you can do this for all of your zeros. For this one, because it is symmetric, we will get just the negative for the other one. So here, my other one will be negative 2.24. Now, when we get to our harder problems, we will want to be able to find these irrational zeros exactly. And as we get to those problems, we'll see what that looks like. But here, we can at least find them approximately and use that to check to see if our exact answers get us that same decimal. And if they don't, we'll know that we need to check those answers.